What's up, guys? So today we want to look at this Skin Element Men Intimate Wash. So basically I've been using this for quite a few weeks now, and this is really great product in terms of you want to use it on your private area, leaving it well fresh and clean. This is one of the great product that you can basically use. It basically comes in this package right here. So as you can see, and this basically you can apply it basically easily come in this cap back right here. It's basically protected from squeeze, and as you can see right here, so it is basically, this is the 120 milliliter. So to basically use this, all you have to do is pull off the cap right here, and you can basically squeeze it inside your hand, just a small amount, and put it on your private area, right, and wash it off. Just wait for a couple minutes, then you can rinse it off with water, as you can see, like so. Then you can use it on your private area, give it that sweet smell, and basically wash it off. And I've been using it for quite a few weeks now, and I love how this basically a great product, and I also recommend you guys that you can use this one if you want to use it to give it that fresh smell, smelling sweet.